Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have another tutorial for you guys, and we will be making a wine / water bottle holder. Yay, you see it. I've been using this one for like a year now, so yeah, I'll be making me a new one soon, but the one I'm making right now, this is for a order. I have to make 2 of them like this one. So I had to get some more yarn. This is the Red Heart yarn, Super Saver Red Heart. And yeah, so basically what you want to do to start this off, you want to make the base, right? So this is the base, and the base is going to have 1, 2, 3 rows, okay? So you're going to make your standard slip knot, okay? Boom. All right, then you're gonna chain 4. After you do that, you're gonna slip stitch into that first chain. Okay, and then you're gonna chain 2 for your first double crochet, and we're gonna go inside that little hole right there, and we're gonna make 11 more double crochets. Okay, now after you have your 11 double crochets, you're going to slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet that we made. Boom. Now we have our first row. Second row, chain 2. That counts as 1 double crochet, and we're going to make another double crochet into that same stitch. And for this row, each stitch is going to get 2 double crochets. So the next one, you're going to get 1 and 2. Same thing, going all the way around, 2 double crochets in each stitch. Okay, now after you do your last double crochet, you're going to slip stitch into the top of that double crochet that we first started when we did the row. Boom. Second row is done, okay? Third row, chain 2, and add 1 more double crochet into that same stitch. Then we're going to do 1 double crochet into the next stitch. then 2 double crochets in the following stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So this row is a repeat of 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 in the next, 1 in the next, 2 in the next, and that is the repeat for this row. These are all double crochets. 2 1 2 1. Okay, we're at the end of the row, so now we are going to slip stitch. All right, so this is the base of the water bottle holder. As you can see, this is the base. It matches exactly. So now we're gonna start on this part. So what you wanna do, chain 2. Well, actually, hold on, chain, we're gonna do 3, chain 3, then we're gonna skip 1 and double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 and chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next. All right, so chain 1, skip a stitch, double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and that's going to be the repeat for the rest of this pattern. So after you chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next. Okay, so this row is done, and you're going to slip stitch into like that third chain that we made when we first started. All right, so the next row we're going to chain 3 again, because that's going to count as 1 double crochet in a chain 1. So you're going to chain 1 and you're going to do a double crochet on top of the next double crochet that you see beneath it. So you see these spaces? We're not double crocheting into the space, we're double crocheting onto the actual double crochet. Each double crochet gets a double crochet on top of it with a chain 1 in between. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next double crochet. So we're making double crochets on top of the previous double crochets from the other row with the chain 1 in between. Okay. And you can measure it as you go to see how tall you want the water bottle holder to be. And yeah, and you could adjust it to, you know, the size that you need. And it's very convenient because you can carry it anywhere. You don't gotta keep putting it down, because when you make the strap part to go with it, you just carry that over your shoulder and you're pretty much good to go. Like, I take this thing everywhere I go. It's very multi-purpose. You could use it for anything. All right, so I just finished this row, so I'm going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of that chain 3 that we had in the beginning. So just remember, each row is going to start off with chain 3, and then you're going to double crochet into the next, and then you're going to chain 1 and then double crochet into the next. This is going to be a repetitive thing for the rest of this pattern, but you see how it's coming along. Okay, yeah, see? So I'm gonna end the video here. You pretty much have the pattern for the rest of this tutorial, and the strap is pretty easy. You just make a chain going across, however thin or thick you want the strap to be. Just go across, and you just keep crocheting up, and that's really it. And you attach it. If you have these little clips, you can attach it at the end of the clip, or you could just sew it onto there, you know. But yeah, that's the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.